Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can send files from your phone to your Windows Asus ExpertBook. So the most rudimentary way is to just use an USB cable to connect your, for example, iPhone with your laptop. But like I said, it's the most rudimentary way and no one wants to collect it, and the wireless way is the way. So to do it, I would recommend you to download a local send app, which is the AirDrop for Windows. I have been using it for a lot and it works perfectly. You just make sure that you and your phone and your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi, so it is in the same local network. And when you download it, you'll see something like this, and switch the mode to receive. And for example, on my phone right now, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm going to turn on the brightness so you can see it better. We have our send mode. We're in a send mode, okay, so because we want to send. You can also set it to send on your PC and receive here, to send from PC, from your laptop to your phone. And for example, let's send a text message. You can also choose between media, text, and file or folder, whatever you need. Well, let's send a text message, okay? Okay, as you can see, I've written a text message. Let's press on the username of our laptop, and as you can see, the message has been sent. Okay, so let's send a picture, for example. So let me find a nice picture. Okay, we have a picture now. Let's press again, press accept, and we're done. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.